Hello students. So now let's start LP4 of 15th block. The ozone layer. The aim of the LP4 is to identify the cause and effect of ozone depletion. The keywords which are included are depletion, ozone hole, chlorofluorocarbon. The formula of chlorofluorocarbon is CFC. This is a chemical, student. Okay. So now in LP3 we have discussed why is the ozone layer is important, right or not, as it protect us from ultraviolet rays which comes from the sunlight, right? What if there was not there, right? If what happens if it was not there, do you know? Have you heard about ozone hole, right? So ozone hole is there, what it is and how it affects us, these all things we will find out today, right? So now all of you open your S4 page number 43, write today's date, student. The S4 is the ozone hole. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions. So let's start reading, students. Point out your finger, listen carefully. Okay. The ozone hole appears in the ozone layer where the ozone gas disappears. This is called depletion of ozone layer. It was first discovered in the 1980s over Antarctica. The ozone layer is disappearing because we use things that release chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons. Many types of sprays and coolants used in the refrigerators and air conditioners release this chemical. Many countries in world have restricted the use of such substance that release CFCs. So student, this paragraph clearly explains that what is CFCs, right? CFCs means this is a chemical which release from the sprays which we use, and coolants means like ACs, right? And refrigerators, right? What happens, so whatever the coolants are present in these, that releases the chlorofluorocarbon. Understood? This is one of the chemical. What it will do means, in the atmosphere, see here what happened, it will react with the ozone layer and it creates the hole. Here you can see a hole is forming, right? What happens if without ozone layer, if ozone layer will be not there, directly the UV rays falls on the earth and it will finish the life on the earth, right or not? In yesterday we have discussed that one. See here, if any one side of the earth ozone layer, the ozone hole is formed. Now what is ozone hole here? That it is the gap formed between the ozone layer, right or not? Some of the gaps are forming on the ozone layer due to the depletion, means due to the ozone layer is slowly disappearing due to the use of due to the release or due to the largely release of some chemical substance like chlorofluorocarbon, right or not? So what we can do if we stop using CFCs, right or not? Many countries have restricted the use of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon, right? So why do this will help to control the depletion of ozone layer, right? So what we can do, if we stop using CFCs, then can the holes that have formed be repaired? Yes, it can repair by itself, because I explained you that the ozone gas is formed in the thermosphere, right or not? But what happens, it will take the long time to form the ozone gas, right? So we can see nowadays, due to the lockdown, in the lockdown, many factories, those all have been closed, right or not? So because of that, in this 2019, most of the part in the ozone layer, the ozone hole is repaired, right or not? You can see you can find out in the Google also. Most of the part of the ozone hole, it is become small, right? So like that, if we stop using the CFCs, then we can continue, the ozone is continuously formed in the upper layer of the atmosphere. If we stop using things which are duplicating ozone holes, then these ozone holes may get repaired over a long time, right? So like this we can prevent ozone layer. If ozone layer will be not there, then there will be no existence of life on the earth, right? This is the importance of ozone layer. Now write today's date, student. Hope you are written. Then here you have to finish what is ozone hole. In the paragraph it is clearly given why ozone layer is disappearing, right? That also you can write. Now you have to write, draw a diagram to show how ozone hole is formed. So here you can draw this one. You can see the red mark now, like this you can draw, right? Or else you can take the help of content book. There also the ozone hole is clearly given. How do ozone hole affect us, right? If ozone hole form, how it will affect us? Simply the the UV rays, ultraviolet rays falls on the earth, and the animals, human beings, all will suffer, right? Skin cancer, skin diseases, skin burns will are on rise in humans, and plants and animals, of course they will cause the damage to them also, right? So like that you can write your own answer in the third question. How would restricting the use of substances like release CFCs help? Then how, if we stop using the CFC substances, does it help to repair the ozone layer? Yes, it will help to repair the ozone layer, right? Because it is only responsible for the duplication. If we stop using CFC substances, then of course the ozone hole will completely closed, right? So here we have completed S4. So this is the block 15, our atmosphere, we have completed. Now complete the all question answers, student. So whatever the diagram I am assigning you to draw in the classwork, draw neatly, color it, okay? So today there is a test, student. So attempt all the question. How much you read, how much you understood, that much only you write. Please don't copy, okay? Stay home, stay safe.